Hello, and thank you for joining us for our digital HPC Roadshow in partnership with the Centre for High Performance Computing, Supermicro, AMD, NVIDIA, Vscaler, and the Boston Training Academy. Over the next few days, we're going to be sharing some great keynotes, content, and training from our partners and leading industry vendors. Before we go on, I wanted to take the opportunity to thank our event sponsors. Without their support, this event wouldn't be able to happen. In today's agenda, we're excited to be joined by Supermicro, as well as members of the Boston Enterprise Solutions Group and the Boston Training Academy. And shortly, we're going to begin our keynote. We're also going to be undertaking Q&A at the end of sessions. So if you have something you'd like to ask our presenters, please click on the question mark icon in the Teams app and type it in. Time permitting, we'll answer as many of these as we can during the event. We also have a special opportunity for our attendees. A secret password is going to be given out during every session, just like you see above. In fact, this is your first password, innovation, so make sure you make a note of each one. Attendees who provide at least 7 passwords by the official close of our event can unlock training given for free by the Boston Training Academy on this Friday, the 2nd of October. On Thursday afternoon, a form's going to go live on the same page that you registered on, and we'll also send you a link to it over email for you to input your codes. So, without further ado, I'd like to hand over to Manoj Nayee, Managing Director of Boston, and Chris Coetzee, Country Head for Africa at Boston, for our first keynote.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you, Maz. This is the second year that Boston has taken part in the HPC Roadshow in South Africa in partnership with CHPC. Thank you for inviting us back again. With that in mind, I'd like to start by saying that whilst COVID-19 has taken its toll on the people of South Africa and the rest of the world, requiring immense sacrifices from various parts of society, we're happy to see a return to some form of normality, and this event is a fine example of this. Of course, last year we had the privilege of meeting you all in person, and hopefully by this time next year, we'll be able to do so again. Let me begin by thanking our partners once again, without whom this event would not have been possible. They will all be presenting throughout the next few days. At midday today, we have Vic Malaya of Supermicro, who will be presenting Green Innovation in HPC. On Wednesday, our day begins with a keynote by Dr. Happy Sitole from the Center of High Performance Computing about the state of the HPC in Africa. At midday on Wednesday, we have Glenn Rosenberg from Vscaler. We'll be talking about demystifying HPC in the cloud, and closing tomorrow's events will be NVIDIA's Craig Rhodes, who will present Healthcare and HPC, its growing impact. On Thursday, we'll hear from AMD's Matt Foley at noon on why AMD is epic, followed by Boston's Training Academy, BTA, and Boston's Enterprise Solutions Group on a number of interesting topics. The full schedule can be found on boston-it.co.za, and you will have also received an email with the links to daily schedules. So I just want to say a few words about our global footprint. So Boston is well served to serve clients globally, as you can see from our footprint here. Of course, locations mean nothing without people. Even in today's strange world of working from home, we have over 350 staff worldwide, operating out of 22 offices, serving over 50 countries. We started life in the UK, where we're headquartered, and expanded into France and Germany in Europe, and then into India, APAC, the USA, and saving the best to last, we now have a legal entity in South Africa. We'll use this as a base to serve clients across Africa. Boston decided to invest in South Africa as the convergence of HPC and AI is in almost every aspect of the digital economy, and this presents a huge opportunity for us all. This, coupled with the human talent pool and democracy available in the country, makes South Africa a unique proposition anywhere in the continent. I'd like to talk briefly about our alliances. So Boston has deep alliances with hardware and software ecosystem partners, some of whom are shown here. We have highly accredited staff, which not only means we can sell, but we can also provide first-line support for each of these partners' products, thus giving our customers peace of mind and the knowledge that they're working with experts. To summarize, I'd like to say that we have a strong in-house technical skill set in HPC, AI, storage, and networking, and customers can leverage these through our Boston Labs facilities, which allow clients to try before you buy, ensuring full compatibility and optimization of your application workloads. We have the latest hardware in our labs from Supermicro, NVIDIA and Mellanox, AMD, and more. Much of this hardware is pre-release, allowing customers to test new technologies, keeping them ahead of the curve. We also have a unique Technology Alliance Partner Program, TAP in short, which provides additional resources to allow customers to fully benefit from the Boston Labs by way of a unique membership. Whether you want to be hosted in the cloud, the edge, or on-prem, we have design and engineering capabilities to deliver highly optimized solutions. Optimization can be for performance, price, low power, or environmental factors like the need to run your equipment without air conditioning or even without a proper data center facility. For example, in India, where the environment can be harsh, we have a proof of concept of a roadside edge-based data center being deployed today. Last year, Boston brought the first public NVIDIA DLI certified course to South Africa. And this year, Boston's Training Academy will present additional courses that have been written in-house, primarily around AI and how to make use of technology so that software engineers and data scientists can quickly and efficiently deliver working applications for their end users. We're also aware that for us to be successful in helping the channel in South Africa, that we need to offer excellent customer service and warranty support. This is one of the main reasons why we have set up base in South Africa. I'd now like to hand over to Chris, who will talk in more detail about our presence in South Africa and the rest of the event. Thank you.
Manoj, the introduction there, appreciate it. What we're seeing in Africa is a demand for global, leading and disruptive technology brands. We understand the vast distances between countries and cities throughout the continent, and support is a major concern for our customers. Today, I can confidently announce that Boston Limited is able to offer you these leading enterprise technologies to your doorstep and offer on-site warranties up to and including 4-hour mission-critical support. We have also noticed a trend in the demand for knowledge transfer. There are 54 countries in Africa, and getting face-to-face with customers in all these countries is a challenging task. 28 years of Boston Limited has led us to the Boston Training Academy, a renowned developmental ground for talent engagement, education, and solutions across a variety of disciplines. The Boston Training Academy offers training through face-to-face, laboratories, and in times such as today, we're able to offer you this world-class offering through online mediums straight to your teams. The Boston Training Academy does not discriminate when it comes to skill set. We offer training from beginners through to advanced, from 8-hour courses through to certificates that take up to 6 months. Even more exciting about the Boston Training Academy is that courses can be tailor-made to suit the needs of your organization. Boston Limited has over the years developed a reputation for being market leaders in the high-performance computing space. The caliber of our customers that we have is an indication of the trust that the market has in our brand. We as Boston Limited enjoy our time with our customers, and this becomes evident when we engage in developing a scope of works in collaboration with them. Once a scope of works is approved, quoting and delivering into any territory in Africa becomes the next task at hand. But not before all systems are tested by our HPC team in London that will make sure that the product on the build line matches the scope of works. Each server is tested and performance is documented. We further offer integration on the systems, whether it is on-site or remote. In today's times, we have mastered the art of offering our customers remote integration of cloud and HPC systems. Once a system is deployed, then our team will assess and validate the performance again to ensure that the customer is satisfied with the outcome. In addition to this, Boston Limited is able to offer a wide range of managed services, And all this is available on our website. If COVID-19 has taught us anything, it is that the IT industry is elastic in terms of being able to offer testing, regardless of the circumstances. During the last 6 months of lockdown, we as Boston Limited have offered and implemented successful remote testing for customers not only in South Africa, but throughout Africa. Our laboratories in London offers our customers the ability to test the latest and greatest technologies, from leading networking such as NVIDIA networking, a wide variety of storage technologies from software-defined to predefined solutions from the likes of Panasys and DDN, to the latest NVIDIA GPUs and AMD and Intel CPU technologies. This is all underpinned with Supermicro hardware, allowing us to design a range of specifications as required. So get in touch with us today to find out how we can further your IT enterprise journey. Thank you.